We do have some econ data crossing the tape, and for that, we'll get to Rick Santelli. Morning, Rick.
Good morning, Carl. Indeed, the weaker data continues. Earlier, we had Philly at minus 19.1, weakest month over month since December 2020. We now see Richmond Fed on the manufacturing index comes in for July at minus 17. That's the weakest going back 4 years plus to May of 2020. And if we look at the service side of the equation, it comes in at minus 9. That follows minus 11, which was now changed to and revised to minus 8, which means we haven't had a positive number on the service side of Richmond Fed going all the way back to August of last year. Now, if we look at interest rates, this is one of the reasons they remained a bit under pressure. But with the surprisingly weak data, it's a bit shocking they haven't rallied, pushing yields down farther. We also have existing home sales out, and for that, we go to Diana Olick. Diana?
Well, Rick, existing home sales in June dropped 5.4% from May to a seasonally adjusted annualized rate of 3.89 million units. That's lower than the street expected. Sales also down 5.4% in June of last year, all according to the realtors. Now, these are closed sales, so based on contracts signed mostly in April and May, when the average rate on the 30-year fix jumped above 7% and stayed there. Rates have pulled back slightly since then to the high 6% range now. Inventory bumped higher, up over 23% from a year ago, but still just a 4.1-month supply. That's because it's coming off record lows. 6 months is considered balance between buyer and seller. A lot of that is also that homes are sitting on the market longer, increasing supply. Average days 22, up from 18 days on the market a year ago. And even that new supply not helping ease prices. $426,900 was the median price of an existing home sold in June. That's up 4.1% year over year, and the second straight month at an all-time high. Remember, part of that is skewed toward what is actually selling, the median, and the higher end is what's selling. The $1 million plus range is the only one that is seeing stronger sales than a year ago. 28% of sales were all cash. That's up from 26% a year ago. Sarah, good to be on the high end.